Hello, students. I'm so excited to be back in the kitchen today. And today, we're going to do something that I've never done before. That's right. We're going to focus on a healthy, delicious, nutritious dessert. That's right, a healthy snack. And right in front of me, I see 5 plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do I like about 5 plates? Well, 5 plates bring me to 5 fingers. And today's recipe is gonna be about fifths. And speaking of 5 fingers, wow, let's get the magic hands of Mr. Chef Jesse to come on in. Today we're gonna focus on a yogurt parfait. First thing we're gonna do is chop up some bananas. I love bananas. They bring out the monkey in me. Look how easy it is to peel a banana. Always wash your hands. If you're cooking for strangers or in a new location, it's okay to use some gloves. And remember, children, whenever you're using a knife, always use the bear claw. Look at those perfect pieces of banana. My, that looks delicious. And you'll notice we have bananas. We have raspberries, we have granola, we have blackberries, and we have yogurt. The beautiful thing about a parfait, students, is if you don't like bananas, use grapes. If you don't like strawberries, use apples. If you don't like apples, use raisins. As for granola, don't like granola or have a nut allergy? Think about coconuts. Think about anything you want. And instead of blackberries, think about blueberries. Think about apples. Think about citrus or pears. So let's get to it, Mr. Chef Jesse, and see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fifths. Ooh, I think we're gonna make layers. This reminds me of doing science and digging deep into the earth. We're gonna layer the earth with a bunch of goodness, granola goodness. And I've gotta be honest with you, students. Someone may have visited that granola plate before the filming of this episode, just saying. We're gonna scoop in some yogurt. Oh, God, does that look good? I can see it layering up already. Just layer it in. Look at all that gooey goodness. I can hardly wait. Ooh, what's next, Mr. Chef Jesse? Bananas? Banana? And steal one little slice of banana. Ooh, raspberry. Just lay them all up in there. Boy, does that look delicious. Oh man, I can't wait to dig my spoon into the bottom. Think of the wonderful combination of flavors and textures. And this is what makes eating fun. Variety, texture, color. Oh boy, look at those blackberries. Those things are so big, you can hit yourself in the head and knock yourself out with one of them. And the flavor just bursts in my mouth. Wow, we've got a beautiful jar filled with colorful fresh fruit, a little bit of yogurt, more fruit, and I bet I know what's coming next if I didn't know better. Very good. We're gonna cover it up with a little more yogurt. Wow, look how neat and easily Mr. Chef Jesse scoops it in. This way, you'll get a tasty surprise with every bite. Wow, this is one of my most favorite recipes in the world. It's low-cal, it's high in antioxidants, which are great for your heart. It's got tons of vitamin C and a little bit of fiber, so it goes in smooth and comes out just as smooth. That's right. Wow. And now I see Mr. Chef Jesse putting on a little decoration. Remember, we always eat with our eyes, so it's important to make our food look as appealing as possible. And he's gonna top it off with one more raspberry right on top. Look at that. OMG. You can't wait to eat. I'm telling you, if this wasn't on TV, I'd take this whole scoop and scoop it out and eat it. But I'm gonna be polite. So, until next time, thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, and I'll see you soon.